siding of people in our neighborhoods.
Unong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangmau lapan sengo sya kesorkar jela halor ka jing Basahteng bansiu kutulok mentala saupu ar benais kinong trei jong ke GHADC. Ula kentu kesorkar banli AA no mardor banweng ya kini kejing e. Baulapan pauru beginong trei kilai kendu ikijing e hakaliang ka pisah pilan. Kabla ketak ke jemut jeng berkat jongki ban pendak penbiang kijing don kam bekongsan ke jongki. Katba kesorkar kampatiau ban penjam ikijing jenjar ke jongki.
A matter has been flagged before the people through various available means of communication to draw the attention of the government pertaining to non-payment of the salary by the employees of the ADCs. And the fact is that for last 42 months, the employees have not been paid salary. The employees have been in agitation since 7th of this month, today is 31st. It is quite distressing to see that till now the authorities concerned in the ADCs and the government have not come out with any kind of positive response.
Ghadc District